In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Spaces. If you're using Google Chat to collaborate with a team, organize projects, or simply keep conversations more structured, Google Spaces is a great tool to know. It gives you a dedicated place where people can chat, share files, and keep track of tasks all in one area. To begin, head over to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can access your chats, spaces, and other collaboration features. Once you're there, look to the left-hand column and find the Spaces section. Next, click the three dots next to Spaces in that left sidebar. This opens a small menu with options related to Spaces. From that menu, select Create a Space. This is where you'll start setting up a new shared area for your team, group, or project. Now type in the name of your space. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy for you and others to identify later. You'll also have the option to add a space profile if you want to. This can help give the space a bit more identity, especially if it's being used by a larger group or for a specific purpose. Once you've entered the details, click Create. At that point, your new Google Space will be ready to use. Now that the space has been created, you can start using it right away. You can add members so other people can join the conversation, share files, to keep documents in one convenient place, and assign tasks to help everyone stay organized. This makes Google Spaces especially useful for teamwork, ongoing projects, and group communication. If you want to discover existing spaces as well, go back and click the three dots next to Spaces again. This time choose Browse Spaces. That will open a searchable list of available spaces. In the search bar that appears, type in the name or keyword related to the space you're looking for. This is the quickest way to find a specific space, especially if your organization has many of them. You can also use the filter next to the search bar to narrow your results. For example, you can view spaces you haven't joined, spaces you have already joined, or all spaces. These filters make it much easier to find the right space without scrolling through everything manually. And that's how to get started with Google Spaces. Once you know where to create, join, and browse spaces, it becomes much easier to keep communication organized and collaboration efficient.